Hey, it's Jamie. I really don't know what's going on with you. You really need to reach out to somebody. I mean, just the way you reacted, I told you how I felt. You know, we're adults, and the way that you took it was just like I'm some weirdo. I don't get it. We've been friends for so long, and I think we need to sit down and talk about it. I'm on my way over right now with just takeout, and we can sit down and just we need to clear the air, okay? I'm on my way over. Bye.
York police have opened a homicide investigation. 30-year-old was reported missing after last being seen at his home on Elmwood Avenue. Police say the remains were found buried in the yard of the property. His cause of death has not been released.